Let's fix it. Settings. In this, you need to go to app settings and go to install app and scroll down and check for Microsoft Visual C++. And the right side you have seen the three dot icon and click and check modify is enabled or not. If it's not enabled means it's old version, so you need to download the latest version. Go to the official website of Microsoft and download the Microsoft Visual C++, and after downloading you need to install it. So after that, in this, if you already downloaded means you need to click modify and you need to click reset. Do it for both 64-bit and 84-bit. So click repair. So it's nothing but is reinstalling once again. The next step, you need to go to Epic Game Launcher and go to properties and go to compatibility and check the disable full screen optimization should be in enable mode. The both disable and run as administrator should be in enable mode. Third step, you need to go to run and type the following text percentage local app data. So clearly type this percentage local app data percentage and click OK. Once click this menu will appear. In this, go to Epic Game Launcher, go to saved and delete the web cache. If the web cache is not deleted means no problem. You need to go to task manager and end the task of Epic Game Launcher on Fortinet. Sometimes the Epic Game Launcher is running in background, that's why it's not downloading, not deleting. So you need to end the task and delete it, and after go to crashes folder, and if there is any inside crash means you need to delete it. The fourth step, you need to go to set Windows Defender Firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall and click allow an app or features through Windows Defender and click change settings. In this, you need to scroll down and check for Epic Game Launcher on Fortinet. If Epic Game Launcher on Fortinet is available means make sure it should be in private and public mode, should be in enable. If it's not available means no problem, you can click it, and also if it's not available means click allow an app. The easy method, go to outside, copy the address and come here and paste the address here. You can easily get the Epic Game Launcher and you can add it. This is the easy steps. Once completing this, you need to check it should be in private and public mode. After that, close it and restart your PC.